You missed it. It fell out of your mouth. This is Leah's first taste of something that's not baby food. They're the little puffs, the graduate puff things that melt in your mouth. And her face is priceless. She never made any funny faces with baby food, but ooh, when you put one of these on her tongue, she's gagging. Not really gagging, but like, bleh, bleh. Let's see. Uh-oh, it came out of your mouth. Here you go. She gets a full body shiver. Leah, what do you think about that? See, I like to just hold them in my hand. I like to just pick them up and hold them in my hand. She's gnawing them, though. She's gumming them to death with her two little teeth. Uh-oh, did you drop one? Up here. Want to have another one? Here we go. Look at that face. She's like, I don't know about this texture stuff. My baby food is just slimy, liquidy. There's nothing dry. Leah. Over here. Hi. Hi. What do you think about those things, huh? That was a full body shiver. There's one in your hand. Are you going to eat it? No, I'm just going to smear it in my hair. Want to have another one? Are you going to do it? Leah. Hi, cute little thing. Here. Leah. Psst, psst. Hey. Hey, little girl. She's like, you better give me some real baby food. Here. Uh-oh, you spit it out. Here you go. She's like, no, I'm done. They're yummy. They melt in your mouth and they taste like banana. She says, well, then you eat them. Huh. If they're so yummy, Mama, then you eat them. Yeah. All right. It's baby food time before she gets too angry.